Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today is bird collage day. I love the bird collages, and this is a challenge that you can find at Nellie and Ruth Designs here on YouTube, and I will have a link to her channel below. You need to collage and have a bird or birds in your collage, so it's really fun. So I have already put down my backing paper for this one. I didn't think you needed to see that. I don't always remember to do that for him, but I did today. And then I'll show you, this is the book that most of my birds came out of today, and it's Birds Around Us. It's a Whitman book. I don't know if it tells, it's 1961. So, I was looking on eBay for some bird books a couple days ago. I was just sitting there playing around, and I did see this one on there. So, I got mine at a yard sale a few years ago. And then something came out of here, but I'm not sure which. I got all this already night before last, and then we were busy all day yesterday. So, I kind of can't remember, but this one is Birds. No, I wonder how parrots can talk. Another neat facts about birds, and it's got some really cool things in it. There's one picture. Well, that one I can't wait to use, but there's another one that I'm just waiting until I find the right idea. That one. Look at it. I love it. So those are my books today. And this is what I found to be my background for my collage. And this is out of a Magnolia Journal magazine, Winter 2023. So this is going to go right here. But I'm going to set this out of the way so we can work on that. So I have already cut out the windows. Oh, I got to get my tape, my sticky tape here. I need my sticky tape. I've already cut out the little windows. They were just pictures of like food and stuff, so I cut those out. So what we're gonna try is something I have never tried before. I've had in mind for a while. I just had not done Viewmaster for a while. I've done several Viewmaster scrapbook pages. Like I cut the reel. I like to cut it as close to 12 by 12 as I can, and then put pictures in there and the focal picture in the center. But when I got my eyes dilated, I thought, maybe I could use that for my my Viewmasters. The only thing I'm worried about is how it's curled, and if I can get it to stay. But we're gonna try it because I've got this idea in my head. So I think I can cover 2 at a time. I think I can. Yeah, I can. So I will cut this. What do I do with my scissors? I'm going to cut this right here. Okay. And we're going to turn this over. That was this side. Okay. And I'm going to put some double stick tape on there. If I can find the end of it. I don't think I've ever used this one yet. There we go. So, put some tape here in the middle. I hope that's not showing on the other side. A little bit. Cut a little bit off of that. At least I think I'm going to cut a little bit. I don't want to cut. Okay. Alright. Put more tape down. I'll find the end again. that very good? No, I didn't cut it very good. I couldn't really tell it from the front until I looked at the back. That's better. Okay. So, I hope this works. Taking longer to put the tape on than I was expecting. It'll take as long after I get around this funky shaped one. So how is your day going? Are you having a good one? I kind of slept in a little bit. Yesterday was a rough day, and my hubby let me sleep in. So I got a little bit of sleep. I was really worn out. Okay. So now, take all those off. And I like to just rub my bone folder, what is this called? Bone folder? I like to run it over them, and it makes it easier, I think, to get these off. Because they're completely stuck to the page then, and it's not as hard. There's a fruit fly. I have to get my fruit fly traps out. We're starting to have garden stuff in the kitchen, and it seems like every time I start bringing in stuff from the garden, in come the fruit flies. Alright, so this no, that's not the right spot. Oh, I didn't have it right. Okay. Does that want to come up right there? Oh, goodness. I didn't have it all covered, so I gotta get it up and not tear my background. Okay, now let's get it right this time. Got to have everything covered. Okay, this is ridiculous. I can't get it down here right. I think I have it and then I don't. Okay, I'm gonna have to get up higher and look over it better. Okay, so I got that part covered. Okay, now I think it's right. There's a little corner that is not covered, but I'm not going to fret over that right now. Yeah, see, this is going to want to curl. I don't know if this is going to work, but look how cool it looks. It just looks so cool. Okay. If I can just get the other side covered, where's my paperweight? what I do with my paperweight. I don't know what I do with my paperweight. Well, we'll just take this. And we'll set it right there on that to try to keep it flat. There we go. Okay. Now, because I think once I get it all glued on my background paper, it'll be okay, I hope. I had thought about using film strip too, but I couldn't find any. I thought I had some old film strip, but I couldn't find any. I'm just sure I have some put away somewhere. But you know what else I could have used? Oh, I didn't think about it till now. I could have taken the negatives out of side mounts, and I got lots of those. I could have done that. Didn't think about that till just now. Stick a little piece under there because that is not staying there. And then a piece over it. Okay, now that's not. I was taking the adhesive up with it. I hope this works. I feel kind of silly if it doesn't. Okay, now get you back up there better. And we'll try to get this side on. I have a feeling I thought the other side was hard. This one might be even harder because it's all trying to curl up. Okay, now put some tape right here. I can't get it up. Oh my. I can't get that backing off there. There we go. Okay. Alright. Now, we're going to put glue all over this. I'm doing the Viewmasters last so I could try to hold it down. I'm going to go ahead and put some on there. Now it's going to be fun to get this page in my journal. So I think I will start at the bottom, get it where I want it down here. Get that glue off there. I got glue on it. Oh well, I'll get it in a minute. Take this. Oh, getting wrinkles. I was afraid of that. Well, I'm going to have some wrinkles. I guess that's what happens when I put real sunglass shades things on there. And I got glue everywhere. I had it on my finger. Oh, it's not coming off. Why I can't get it off of there. So I put my adhesive. There we go. Okay, it's wrinkled, but it's gonna be okay. I got air bubble in there. Well, I'm not too happy about how this is laying down. Oh, this wasn't maybe my brightest idea. But we're just gonna go with it. Okay, so my birds. Get them up here. Okay, this, I think I had this bird in this one. And this one. I'm trying to remember how I had these. That one goes there. This one goes here. So this one must be on one of them, but I don't know why I don't have it cut out all the way. But it's gotta be, because I got this all ready night before last, and then yesterday was a wacky, crazy day. I didn't get in here. And so I'm kind of confused. I'm going to cut this out. I don't know why I have it cut like that. And so it's been over 24 hours since I got this all cut and ready. I thought I would get in here last night and get it done, but that did not happen. By the time the day was calmed down, I wasn't in the right frame of mind to get in here. I sat in my recliner. We've been watching the Auschwitz Tattooist, or it's the Tattooist of Auschwitz. I'm not sure which it is. It's on Peacock. And it was a really heavy thing to watch. It was, but it was good. It was good. It's a series. We finished it last night. So I sat in my recliner, played on my phone, and watched that, and tried to chill. But if you like to learn things about World War II and all that, it was a good one. That's my one of my favorite things to read. So I enjoyed it. It was just very, very heavy, which you would expect, because it's the telling of the story of a tattooist in Auschwitz. And he was the guy that had to tattoo the numbers on people. That's what they made him do. That was his job. And so, you know, there's really no way to lighten that up and make it a wonderful story. I cannot get that out of there. Maybe it's that knife. Let me try my other knife. I think I need to. My other knife is not in here. What? Oh, well. I don't know what I did with that. Huh. Okay, well. I'm just not getting that out of there. I'm going to try this. But I think this is probably dull, because this is one I use like to get pages out of books and stuff. This is a very tiny area, but it would have drove me crazy not to have it done. There, it's coming out. There we go. Got it. Alright. Okay, so this one, I think I may have had this, because this one fit over here better, and that one there. So we'll get these guys glued down. I need to cut, I want that one to be like that, so I need to just cut this one off a little bit. Okay, so I'll get some glue on here. I'm really bummed about how wrinkled this is. Really wishing I would have came up with the idea of the slide mounts before I did this. But maybe it'll give you an idea of something to do, and you can use slide mounts, unlike me. Ah. Can't quite get it. The bird is going above the thing every time I try to put it down. Okay. I got glue on there. Okay. We're going to call this one a semi-fail, but I'm still going to make it and show it. Because I like the idea. And it will flatten out some while it's in my book too. Okay, so now this guy was in the book, and he was releasing a bird, and I thought if I put him down here, it'll kind of like look like he's releasing the bird into the Viewmaster reel. I gotta cut the bottom off of this. Oh, there's my scissors. Okay. So he's gonna be down here, and then beside him, oh, I don't have that one completely cut. Ugh. More X-Acto knife work. didn't want his little legs to get broken. I haven't made a Viewmaster layout in a long time. I need to do that with my grandson's pictures, because I think about all the grandkids have a layout with a huge Viewmaster. Okay, there we go. Alright, so this little bird is going to stand right there. We'll get him on first. So he's going to stand right here. He's looking up. And then I have this bird that I thought I would put right here. And again, I didn't do the legs. Oops, let me go down. I might have to go in with my scissors on that little part. I'm afraid this blade will just eat it up. I rediscovered this knife recently and I love it, but I don't have very many refills of it, and so I gotta get to Hobby Lobby and see if they still have it. It's a Hobby Lobby brand, and who knows, they may have got rid of it. I may have no way to get refills for it. Which is frustrating. But I haven't been to Hobby Lobby. Well, I did go to Hobby Lobby once since I found that, but I forgot about it. So I'll be there in a couple weeks. I can't get that little bit out of there. It's just the tiniest little, there's a teeny tiny area. There, I think I got it. Okay, so then let's put him where I'm going to have him, down here at the bottom. And we're going to have this bird. And we'll put this bird right here. He's standing there too. Okay, now we'll get this guy on. Alright, and then the last bird is the bird that he's releasing. That bird's flying up. He's releasing it. I see a little spot. Didn't cut. There we go. Okay. and flat. Probably should have put it there. Put it so it's wrapped around that little area there. Okay, this is my collage for this week. I'm very unhappy with how the background turned out, as in wrinkly, but I still really like the idea. I just didn't execute this very well. So, here it is in all its wrinkled glory. You have a blessed day. I'll be seeing you soon, and I'll have a link for Nellie and Ruth's channel in the description box below. Bye!